Asher, let me see your outfit. Holy cow, dude, you look good. Jeez, buddy. Wow.
Welcome back, guys. So, okay, since the last video, I have lightened my hair like a lot. So it's like really blonde, if you can't see that. And I went real icy, which that's nothing new. Yeah, so my extensions don't exactly match anymore. So here's some other extensions that I got. So I went with the 18-inch because I wasn't really trying to go for like a bunch of length. I really just wanted it for thickness because my hair is really fine. So if you are wanting to like customize your extensions, you want to make sure, like, as far as like color them to match your hair or have like your hairstylist color and cut them to match your hair, make sure it's human hair. This is Euronext, that's this brand right here. So these are 100% human hair extensions. So you are able to put heat on them, wash them, dry them, color them, cut them, obviously. And it comes with 8 different pieces. So it's got like 2 of these bigger wefts, 2 of the medium, and then 6 of the little pieces that you can kind of add in on the sides. I'm excited to color these. Obviously these are a lot more golden than my hair, but these were the lightest ones that they had. So I'm going to lighten them and tone them with the same toner that I used on my hair so that they're really nice and icy and they blend well. So we'll have to do a video on that one next. I'm too antsy, so I had to pull them out just so I could feel them. They feel really nice and silky. They probably are not gonna feel like that after I lighten them, which is okay with me because I want it to blend with my hair, and the silkier they are, the less it's gonna blend with my hair because my hair is more roughed up from lightening. So I'm not saying that I want to like damage them, but they do need to be a little bit more like lived in, if that makes sense. All in all, after doing my research on Amazon, and I was just looking at some extensions online, and I'm like very cautious about buying things online. I'm a big like Amazon shopper. Obviously all my like wigs and all that fun stuff that I've been doing, that's all been on Amazon. And I usually go off of reviews, but some of the ones that I was reading, I really needed them to be human hair extensions and I wanted them to be like legit. So I didn't want to get them and be disappointed. So I ended up going to SALLYS. I wanted to go there so that I could actually see and feel them in person and know what I was getting, because, you know, extensions, it's like save a little bit of money and then maybe not get as great of quality, or, you know, spend a little bit more money and actually know what you're getting and know that it's a good product. I'm happy with what I decided to go with. Yeah, it's very like silky, no like split ends, anything like that. Okay, you guys, Asher has hearts on his face. Obviously this was Valentine's Day weekend that we're filming this here, so he got Valentine's and he got stickers, so he has stickers on his face. And he also scraped his nose, of course, so that's apparently what life as a boy mom is gonna be like, me having a heart attack every time he gets hurt. I plan on bleaching these babies out, getting them real light like my hair, and then toning them really cool like my hair, because I have like very bluish violet tones in my hair, so that I want these to obviously match. By coloring them, I feel like they make them blend a little bit more with your hair, because I mean, let's be honest, like unless you've never colored your hair, no one's hair is like this silky. So or unless you have like really dark colored hair, but any blonde you come across that has colored her hair, it's not gonna be this silky. So in order for them to blend, I'm going to be cutting and coloring and toning them. So yeah, so I'm excited. Stay tuned for that video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave. Turn on your notifications, and I will see you all next time. Bye, guys. You do this and don't get tongue-tied.
No. It wasn't recording. No. Alright.
Okay. So, yes, so I...